Hi everyone, welcome to Study Windows. Let's start type of preposition. We have already learned what is preposition, its basic understanding. Now it's the time to learn the types. Now the preposition can be categorized into two kinds. So based on function, that is the functionality of the preposition, and based on structure means the formation of the preposition or the structure of the preposition. And this session we are going to learn various types of preposition based on function. So based on function, it may be preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of direction or movement, preposition of manner, preposition of agent or instrument, preposition of measure, preposition of source, and preposition of possession. Let's start once again. So preposition of place, time, direction or movement, manner, measure, source, agent or instrument, and possession. We have used this symbol so that we can remember this all preposition very easily. So let's start. So we will discuss all kind of preposition one by one. Preposition of place. It is nothing if place where something or someone is located. So place, or let's understand with examples. We say someone is waiting at the door. So at is a preposition. So at simplifying the place of something. An apple is kept on the box. Here on is a preposition. On specifies the place of the apple. This ball is inside the box. So in is the preposition and it simplifies the location. It simplifies the place. The ball is above Tom. So above simplifies the place. So it is a preposition. Here it is behind. It is also simplifying a place. In front of, it is also specifying a place. Near, it is also the same thing, place. Between, it is also place. Beside, this is also implies a place. Below, it is also simplifying a place. So this all preposition implies the place. So these all known as preposition of place. There may be many other preposition of places as well, but we have considered which are used normally in our daily life. So preposition of time. It means specific time or period. I wake up at 12 o'clock. So at is specifying a time and it is a preposition of time. We are working on Monday. So Monday is a day. On implies a time. We did it in 2020. So 2020 is a time and in is a preposition of time. In the same way, I was at home during the program. During implies a time, so it is a preposition of time. I was swimming for 2 hours. Here also for implies a time, so it is a preposition of time. I'm in Bardhaman since 1986. Since implies a preposition of time. I will wait till 12 o'clock or I will wait until 12 o'clock. So this till or until implies the time. I was at home from Sunday to Monday. Here from and to both are implies time. So these also preposition of time. I left home 5 hours ago. So this ago implies time. I will reach home by 5 p.m. So by also implies time. So all these prepositions are implies preposition of time. So preposition of direction or movement. To where or which direction. So direction or movement. Let us take some example. I am going to Kolkata from my village. There is a movement from my village to Kolkata. So to and from both are preposition of direction or movement. Into the box. Here also movement and out of the box. This is also imply movement. The cat jumped off the desk. So it is related to movement. Balloons are going up and down. So up and down means movement or direction. We are walking along the road. Along means movement. We are walking across the road. Across is also imply direction. We are walking towards the river. Towards imply direction or movement. So these all prepositions are for direction or movement. Hence, these are known as preposition of direction or movement. Preposition of manner. It means the way something happens or something done. Or if you ask, how has it been done? It is manner. So preposition of manner. Vaisi is reading with smile. So with implies manner. He looks like my brother. Here like is manner. She walks as a teacher. As implies manner. I go there by bus. By implies manner. She traveled on foot. On implies manner. I have written a letter in ball pen. In is preposition of manner. So these all prepositions we use as preposition of manner. Preposition of agent or instrument. It is used for a thing which is cause of another thing. So agent or instrument. We will take some example. Look at this book, Ghore Baire. This book is written by Rabindranath Tagore. By implies preposition of agent. Someone has written something. This card has made by Sornali. So by is preposition of agent. The bucket is filled with water. With implies preposition of instrument. Advik is working on computer. On implies preposition of instrument. So these all are widely used as preposition of instrument. Preposition of measure. To describe a measure or some value. So preposition of measure. Saktia has won the match by 100 runs. Here is a value and by implies preposition of measure. Elephant ran for 20 km. For implies preposition of measure. I bought 2 kg apples at 80 rupees rate. At is a value. So these all prepositions are widely used as preposition of measure. Preposition of source. It's simply origin or source of something. Let's try to understand with examples. I read it in the newspaper. In implies preposition of source. I heard a nice song on the radio. On implies a source of a song. Aharshi got the answer from the internet. From implies a source. So these all prepositions are widely used as preposition of source. Preposition of possession. Something or someone is owned by something or someone. So possession. Delhi is the capital of India. Of is used for possession. The girl with the mehendi is sitting by me. With implies possession. Rose garden belongs to Ritu. Here, to implies owning of rose garden. Do you want to know type of preposition based on structure? Check out our next video. And thank you so much.